Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? War plus hen. War, hen. Heart plus ink. Heart, ink. Warren Harding. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
All right, the two lovely ladies you see before you are our two contestants. The lady on my right is our champion. She has yet to lose a game, and so far she has put together a total of $12,500 in different prizes, including a couple of great vacations. And if Terry Melton gets back to the winner's circle, she will have 1 minute and 5 seconds in which to win a brand new car. Now, this lady on my right played against Terry on our last show, lost a game. She has 1 strike against her. Antoinette King is her name. Welcome back to you, Antoinette.
Thank you.
And good luck as you guys compete for, among other things, this prize.
Cultivate your sweet tooth while you indulge yourself in a childhood fantasy with this prize of ice cream each week for a year. Alex.
Ice cream for a year and Pokey's getting all of it? Oh, gosh. Let's show the ladies. Enjoy it, Pokey. Enjoy it. Where can we find the ice cream for a year? At number 5. We also have a holiday in Ixtapa, Mexico. And Antoinette, you select first.
Okay, let's go to Mexico. Number 12.
No, green take.
I love those takes. The match to that is number 14.
His and her hammocks. No match. Terry?
Hammocks, that sounds nice right now. How about number 2?
Wild card.
But not nice enough. I'm going shopping. How about number 17?
17 is diamond watches for 2.
That sounds great.
The other diamond watches at number 7. All 3 panels in the same column, the second column. Let's see what they reveal as we open them. There we go again.
How about number 23?
Wild card.
I could use another trip. Number 14.
No, his and her hammocks. Well, that's kind of a trip.
That's great, yeah.
You won't go far, but you'll feel good. You'll feel very relaxed. The other hammocks on the board at number 6. 3 more panels, swinging open for Terry. Go again.
I'm going to open up the board over on number 9.
Bedroom set.
I could really use that. I'm moving into a new apartment. Number 4.
Deli meat slicer. You say you could really use the bedroom set. You have no furniture at all?
Well, I could use just about everything, and that would be a major item.
Well, you've won $12,500 in prizes so far.
Sell everything.
No, don't sell everything. Go out and enjoy the vacations, and then you won't care when you come back whether your apartment is that splendidly furnished or not. Antoinette, back to you.
Okay, let's see what's in the middle at number 13.
Ixtapa.
Naturally. The match to that is 18.
Ice cream for a year. Terry.
Oh my gosh, I think I just went brain dead. Number 1
Green take.
and number 5.
Ice cream for a year. No. Antoinette.
Okay, let's go for the take first. Number 12,
Yeah?
and the match is number 1.
Well done. Lady has got a plan, obviously. Do you want to use the take right now? They've got some diamond watches there.
No, I'll save it. I'll
right.
save it. I'll save it.
Open it up for her. Now select again.
Okay, number 18,
That's the ice cream.
and the match is number 5.
You're right. More ice cream. In fact, ice cream for a whole year.
I used to work at Baskin Robbins.
Oh, really?
Doesn't-
Did you get to sample a lot, or do you get tired
No,
of doing
I
that?
ate it. I didn't sample it, I ate it.
Oh, all right. Do you want to use the take or save it?
No, I'll save it.
Okay. 2 more panels opening up for you. Try it again now.
Okay, let's see what's under number 15.
Color TV.
Okay, everyone can use a TV. The match is number 25.
car stereo and speakers. No match for you, so we go back to Terry.
Let's try number 10.
Red take.
I'd love to have that. Number 11.
Color TV. No match. Antoinette.
Number 15.
Color TV.
And the match is number 11 for
Color
the color.
TV. Opposite ends of the same line. No?
No, thank you.
All righty. Can't talk her into it. Open the two panels. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 24.
Wild card.
And the trip to Mexico, number 13.
13, yes. Stop on Mexico. The other part of that holiday is at number 19. Now do you want to use the take?
I have... I'll save it. I'll save it.
All right. Going to save it a little while longer as we open these three panels. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 3.
Car stereo and speakers.
And the match is number 25.
Car stereo and speakers. I'll ask you about this again because you seemed to be on the verge of using it last time.
I'll take the watches.
All right. His and her diamond watches. Good prize. Going over into Antoinette's column as we open these two doors for her. Try it again now.
Okay, number 16.
Red take.
And we saw that. Was that at number 10?
Oh, boy. Might Terry be about to suffer her first defeat? Who knows? Antoinette, you don't want the hammocks, huh?
No, I don't want to have
All righty.
it.
Two doors opening up again. Select.
Okay, let's see what's under number 21.
Bedroom set.
And the match was number 9.
Bedroom set, the one that Terry Melton said she could really use because she's moving into a new apartment. But Antoinette doesn't appear to be any closer to solving this puzzle. I will ask you again about the take. There is a prize in Terry's column. All right, the take remains where it is, and we open these two doors. Antoinette, one match will clear the puzzle.
Okay, number 22.
Deli meat
And
slicer.
the match is number 4.
Deli meat slicer. All right, now will you use the
Okay,
take?
I'll take the hammocks.
Take the hammocks, okay. Let's open the two deli meat slicer panels and show Antoinette 8 and 20. Outdoor lighting, and Antoinette, you have every prize in this game. Can you solve the puzzle?
Standing.
Terry, can you solve it?
Standing ovation.
Is it standing ovation? Yes, it is. You couldn't read what the word said, oy vey, or ove? Oh. Sorry, Antoinette. You played so brilliantly up until that last moment.
I see this happen to other people.
You've seen it happen to other people, and now it's happened to you, and it's hard to take. Well, we're disappointed for you,
You
Terry.
have to win a car now.
She's got to. Come on, Terry. You can get a chance at the board again to explain the puzzle.
Okay. Stand plus ink. Standing oy vey, shin, standing ovation.
Standing ovation. You should get a standing ovation because you have played so beautifully. Antoinette, I won't mention all the prizes. I'll just say you've got the second strike against you. We've got a lovely gift for you backstage. I wish it could be more.
Thank you.
Take care. So
Bye,
long,
Terry.
Antoinette. All right, Terry, no prizes for the first time, but over a minute on the clock when we come back. All right, Terry, let's do it.
Oy vey, please, Lord.
Oy vey, the time has come. 15 numbered squares for Terry. 65 seconds. Count them on the clock. An eternity. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
13, 5,
Yes.
14, 7,
Yes.
3, 8,
No.
11, 3,
Yep.
6, 9,
No.
12, 1,
Yep.
15, 2,
No.
8, 15,
No.
9, 4,
No.
6, 15,
Yes.
8, 10,
Yep.
9, 2,
Yep. Terry won her car. Terry finally won her car. Tell her about it, Gene.
Terry, you've just won this Subaru Justy two-door coupe. Features a 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning. Furnished by Subaru. A prize worth over $8,200.
Well, Terry, you're leaving us undefeated. $20,882 in prizes, including a brand new car. Congratulations. You're a super player. It's a delight having you here. We'll be back with a new contestant or two after this. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Terry finally got her brand new car. We had to say goodbye to Antoinette as a result of her loss, and so we welcome these two newcomers. Let's start with a pretty young lady on my left. Her name is Yolanda Favela.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, Yolanda.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Originally from Mexico.
And now you live here in Southern California?
I've been here for 20 years, and I'm a housewife, and I have 4 children.
All right, let's meet your opponent. David Oliver is his name. Welcome aboard, David.
Hello there.
Where are you from?
I'm from Menlo Park, California.
Living.
Menlo Park. I'm living down here in Los Angeles.
And what do you do?
I'm working for a startup gourmet butter company.
All right,
Very
good luck. Take a look over here, and we will show you one of our prizes.
Service for 8 of fine handcrafted china in the Hancock pattern. Its elegance is detailed by its raised 24-karat gold design from the fine china collection of the Michael C. Pina Company. And when you have a box of cremettes, you have dozens of meals at your fingertips. Cremettes, there's a lot to like in a little green box. Alex.
I'll tell you, with 4 kids, you use a lot of cremettes, right, Yolanda? Good
Yes.
stuff. David and Yolanda, look on the board. China's service rate is at number 14. Just one wild card in this game, players, but we have the bonus seconds. We have the cash pot, which is now up to $900, and we have a holiday in Waikiki Beach. And Yolanda goes
I
first.
could use that.
Yes, a nice second honeymoon for you.
Okay, let's start with number 2, please.
Cash pot.
Let's go for that money under number 23.
Going for the money, but no diamond and topaz pendant. David Oliver.
Okay, I'm going to go with number 12. The match under 10.
Hardwood flooring, no match. Yolanda.
Okay, let's go on number 8, please.
Waikiki.
Let's see if we could find the wild card under number 25.
No, armoire. Good prize, though. David.
Okay, number 21.
Red take.
Red take. Match under number 11.
Wild card, so the take is coming your way. The other red take at number 9. Seems a shame to get a take this early in the game because there are no prizes in the columns, but let's open up these 2 panels for you. 3 panels. Why did I say 2? Because I can't count. David, select.
Okay, number 6. Green take. And the match under number 19.
Physician's scale. Yolanda.
Okay, let's go up to number 10. 24.
No, that's the scale. David.
Ooh, I'm going to say number 15.
Armoire.
And the match under number 25.
That's right.
All right.
Another match for David and a prize for his column as well. 2 doors opening up. Go again.
Okay, number 10. Hardwood flooring and the match under number 24. Ooh.
I think you did the same thing Yolanda did a few moments ago.
23, please.
Diamond and topaz pendant.
Number 5.
Waikiki Beach.
Oh, no. I'm going to
David?
say number 13. And number 6.
Yes, for the green take. Yolanda still has no prizes, so you've got a lot of insurance here. Two
I
doors
sure do.
opening up. Select again.
Okay, number 18.
Video
Video camera and the match under number 12.
Video camera, yes.
All right.
David's on a roll. 2 more panels swinging open for his benefit. Go again.
Okay, number 17.
Why are you laughing? 5 bonus seconds.
I'm going to get a match with number 22.
You are? You are indeed.
Something's happening.
Yes, indeed. Open it up for him. Select again.
Okay. Number 14.
China service for 8.
China service for 8. And the match under number 7.
No. Archery set. Yolanda.
Number 3.
China service.
Number 14.
China service for 8. Your prizes are somewhat at risk, Yolanda, because David has both takes, but let's see if you can solve the puzzle and break his heart in this first game. Select again.
Number 1.
Diamond and topaz pendant.
Number 24. Again.
Again, yes, ancora.
Okay, number
David.
19.
Position scale.
And the match under number 24.
Position scale, yes. You have both takes, and Yolanda has a prize.
You know what? I'm gonna take that China service for 8.
All righty. It's a lovely service. Open it up. 2 more panels for David. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use this take. Hands on your signaling buttons. You're free to ring in as soon as the green light goes on. It'll go on after we reveal box number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 16, 20, 23. Think of automobiles. All right, first of all, David. Oh, sorry. You have to be ready to solve it when you ring in. Yolanda, can you solve it?
No.
Can't do it? All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I will help you. Remember, when you do ring in, you must give me a solution immediately. F plus the arrows are pointing at the OR. 4, 4. David.
4 on the floor.
4 on the floor sounds good to me, and it is good enough for a victory for David Oliver. Let's go to the board.
Well, I'm going to start off with the F and the OR for 4 on the FL plus OR.
Another
4
OR.
on the floor.
4 on another OR on the floor. All right. Your eagerness almost got you into trouble. It worked out for you. Yolanda, 1 strike only against you, so
I'll
we'll
get
see.
you next time.
You'll get him next time or me?
Him.
Him, good.
Yeah,
All right, we'll
sure.
see you in the next game. David, let's hear about your prizes. Gene, tell him.
A physician scale and an armoire. Broyhill stately armoire with gracefully paneled doors will be your entertainment center, linen closet, wardrobe or pantry. Beautiful oak finish furnished by Broyhill. And a video camera. Magnavox Movie Maker is smart, very smart. 8-to-1 power zoom and so light sensitive, designed to give you accurate color in low light conditions, furnished by Magnavox. And of course, the elegant China service for 8 and the 5 bonus car seconds. A prize package worth $3,629.
And a chance to play for a brand new car with more than base time on the clock after this. All right, David's ready, so let's get to it. 15 numbered squares. Base time on the clock is 35 seconds, but you picked up the bonus seconds as well, so you're working with a full 40. Good luck, David. Off you go.
Okay, 1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
13, 14,
No.
14, 4,
Yes.
11, 8,
No.
5, 2,
No.
3, 7,
No.
7, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2 2,
No.
6, 5,
No.
7, 5.
Right.
9, 2.
No.
12, 15. 8, 15.
3 of them match, but that's okay. $3,629 in prizes. We'll take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design. A great kitchen startup set includes powerful handstand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll see you soon, folks. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.